it's time for another tool review. This has worked out pretty well. About three and a half years ago, the beginning of COVID, really started my woodworking journey. So my DIYs, fixing up the house. We had done a few things. You know, when you buy a new house, you do a few things. But then COVID hit, and I had nothing else to do in my time, so we started around the house. So before that, I had I think they were like old Makita set or something, drill set. And those finally bit the dust. So I bought the Flex tool set. I bought them from Lowe's, which honestly, the number one reason I buy things from Lowe's is it's next door. But I bought the Flex 24 volt brushless dual pack, you know, of the drill and the impact driver. So this is my review of them. Honestly, point blank, they have been good tools. Pros. The pros of these is they just keep on working. They heavy duty. Hear that? This is after 3.5 years and they still have that nice start and stop. Okay. See that cute little light? The impact driver, again, been great. Actually, my biggest complaint isn't really over the drills. It's actually over the batteries. And even this, I don't know if I can really complain about. I'm in Southwest Florida. I keep my tools in my garage. Here's a news flash. It gets hot. So, and I don't know if you can see, probably, I don't know if you can, the kind of that shiny spots right up there. I think that's like the battery juices giving up hope. So that is my one concern, is that I think the batteries are starting to leak. And I mean, they still have power and everything. And honestly, as you can see, I don't take the best care of my chargers. They're covered with sawdust and everything, but they keep going. And they get hot because, again, it's Florida. I push these drills and they get hot. They will get to the point where they're almost too hot to touch, but they keep on going. I'm actually more concerned with the impact driver than I am with the drill, because I feel like it's starting to like be a little bit loose, like it's not 100% there. It's still working, but it doesn't have the oomph that it used to have. And again, it's been 3.5 years with these things, and I don't know if there's maintenance you're supposed to do with them, but if there is, it ain't been done. The drill, I've put it through its paces. It just keeps going. And what I didn't realize too, which I'm hoping it's okay, but when I turn it on and off, can you see it? Sometimes there'll be like little sparks in there. I'm guessing that's the motor. Okay, and it has these number thingies here. So it has that. Notice I said number thingies because I know they do something, but I really don't know what. I've tried to figure those out. I can't figure it out, but it's okay. So, and as you've seen, if you've seen my review, if not, I will, you know, like at the end of the video, I'll put it at the end of the video. I did a review of the Flex cordless circular saw that I have, which I really like other than its weight. But it came with this big ass battery. So with this big ass battery, it will fit on here, but these are already heavy. I mean, honestly, they're heavy. Like, you know, I always kind of joke about my Craftsman tools. They're like the housewife tools, and these are like the Mega Man ones. These are heavy. Like, you could do some damage if someone pissed you off with these, okay? And you add this battery, and it might count as an upper body workout. So they take standard drill bits. I haven't had a problem with that. I've been able to pretty much any drill. And if you have paid attention any to my stories, when I put the drill bit through my hand, the Forstner bit, It was with this. So now I have a drill press so that maybe we won't do as much damage and not need as many stitches. So, but I do recommend these for DIYs. The batteries, they charge pretty quickly. I haven't had a problem with like not having enough juice. What I will do sometimes if I haven't been paying attention is like when I'm pre-drilling holes and drilling in screws, I'll be using one battery if I need to, so I can have the other one charging. But honestly, now that I got this one, worst case scenario, I'll use that one. But, you know, again, no issues. I am a little bit concerned about the batteries leaking. I did see where they have like upgraded ones of these, and I'm thinking next, I was gonna go the yellow route. You know what I mean when I say the yellow route. But honestly, I don't have any complaints. And they have like now these, but with like turbo buttons. So I may just upgrade to the new Flex ones because I'm thinking, because the batteries, that's making me nervous, I may upgrade to the next Flex of these. Okay? So that's it. I recommend them. They're Grammy approved. Just pay attention to the batteries and to the heat. I've watched some great videos on what these can do. And honestly, I can't find anyone on YouTube who's trustworthy who has a bad review of these. They're not for contractors. I'll be honest. They're not contractors. They're DIY and us homebodies. But they work. I can use them all weekend long. I don't have to worry about it. You know, they're easy enough to hold. The batteries are easy enough to charge. I think they're awesome. Okay? So I hope you have a great day, great weekend. If you like this kind of odd content, please subscribe. If you don't like this kind of content, I guess don't subscribe. And have a great day. Bye.